Okay, I don't know if he's gonna burp. He's getting antsy. Let's move that. This is a way that I learned with, so not the sitting up one, but this is a way I learned in the NICU that sometimes this helps. Not all the time, but to burp them, you kind of want to make them go in a circle slowly. And that helps get the gas out or the burp out of their belly. Oh, did you hear it? Yep, I think we got. Good job. And don't worry, he can breathe. I just have my fingers on his cheek and I'm supporting his neck with, oh, he's mad at me. Okay.